Hey guys, look at what just arrived here.
Today is a special day for us at NILG.AI. It's our anniversary. And what a better way to celebrate than by unboxing this special package that just arrived, and it's just a perfect coincidence, right? So let's open it, right? Okay. Here it is, guys. So it's our YouTube 100K subscribers award. And our mission is clear. We want to enable companies like yours to leverage artificial intelligence. So we're here to make your processes more efficient, to help you become more competitive and more innovative. And this award is more than just a number for us. It represents the trust that you, as our audience, have placed in us. So thank you for your continued support, to our customers who inspire us daily, and a special thanks to the incredible team at NILG.AI, to our partners who make this channel possible. This award is an important milestone that has allowed us to reflect on what we have achieved so far, but it's also a reminder of our journey and the responsibility that we have in guiding the decisions that you make with artificial intelligence. Let's keep pushing boundaries and helping you leverage artificial intelligence for success. Here is to many more milestones together. Thank you all.